Hey everybody, it's me, Angie B, the Green Garden Chick. How you doing? Well, I'm doing fine, but it's time to clean up a little bit more because of the COVID-19 situation going on. But I don't want to use bleach. It's very toxic. It will clean, it will kill a germ, but it's not that healthy for you. So we're going to do some things today that are a little bit more healthier for you, but still gets the job done. Come on, let's make some cleaning products. Okay, I'm back. So what I want to show you is the finished product of the citrus that I used. I already juiced. So if you want to see, it says pulp free. Of course, I sterilized and cleaned this jug. I use everything. You guys know that. And this is not pulp free because this is a pulp. So you know I made this. All right. So this is the juice that was already made. You can use a orange, a lime, a lemon, a grapefruit, pretty much any citrus fruit. How I do it is I have an electric juicer. It's 32 ounces, and actually this jug is 128 fluid ounces. I made 32 and 32, 64 plus 32, 96. I made 96 ounces of juice. My husband drank a lot. He likes our homemade juice. So you can make your juice out of a squeezer like this, real inexpensive, or you can go get a fancy smancy juicer, no problem. Whichever is your fancy, just juice. Alright, takes no time. So the other thing that you'll need is a big pot. I have this one because I've already done my boiling, and I have a big pot over here that I put my greens in, or I make chitlins, things like that. I'm country, and I just made a big old pot, 2 big pots of this citrus infused water. So you boil it to whatever consistency you would like. You take out the lemon rinds. See? They've been boiled very well. Just take out the lemon rinds. So let me get a bowl, and then we'll take out the lemon rinds, and then we'll see what the juice looks like that has been boiled. Okay, I'm back. So what I want to show you is the finished product of the citrus that I used. I already juiced. So if you want to see, it says pulp free. Of course, I sterilized and cleaned this jug. I use everything. You guys know that. And this is not pulp free because this is a pulp. So you know I made this. All right. So this is the juice that was already made. You can use a orange, a lime, a lemon, a grapefruit, pretty much any citrus fruit. How I do it is I have an electric juicer. It's 32 ounces, and actually this jug is 128 fluid ounces. I made 32 and 32, 64 plus 32, 96. I made 96 ounces of juice. My husband drank a lot. He likes our homemade juice. So you can make your juice out of a squeezer like this, real inexpensive, or you can go get a fancy smancy juicer, no problem. Whichever is your fancy, just juice. Alright, takes no time. So the other thing that you'll need is a big pot. I have this one because I've already done my boiling, And I have a big pot over here that I put my greens in, or you know, I make chitlins, things like that. I'm country. And I just made a big old pot, 2 big pots of this citrus infused water. So you boil it to whatever consistency you would like. You take out the lemon rinds. See, it's been boiled very well. You just take out the lemon rinds. So let me get a bowl, and then we'll take out the lemon rinds, and then we'll see what the juice looks like that has been boiled. Okay, so we're back. We have taken out the oranges out of one container, orange peels, that we boiled and got all of the citrus juice out of it, and infused it with the water, if you will. So I'll take a couple more out. And you can squeeze it if you want. I don't, just because I don't want to make any more pulp. And yeah, so what you can do with this is you can rinse it. Well, you don't even have to rinse it. You can put this in your dryer, your food dehydrator, I mean, not the clothes dryer. And you can dehydrate this and let it get real crispy and hard. Then you can make orange peel zest from it. You can make orange salt, so mix it with some sea salt, or I don't think most people use iodine salt anymore, table salt. But you can mix it and make a lot of different seasonings with it that have an orange flavor. Or you can just dry it and put it in a Ziploc bag, and then I usually put mine in a paper bag. Close it up, put it somewhere dark in the back, label it, of course, and then crunch it up when I want to use it, just because I'm quick like that. Sometimes I go through the extreme preparation, make everything all nice and pretty and princessy, queeny like. Sometimes I just homegirl it on down. So we're gonna probably homegirl this on down. All right. So of course, as I was saying, you use your citrus, just cut it in half, juice it, get the juice out of it, put it in water, boiling water. Well, no, put it in a pot, fill it with some water, and then boil it, as long as you would like. Then the next thing you have is your juice. So I'm gonna pour this in a, this is a 1 liter measuring cup, so you can see. So it made about a little more than 1 liter. And what I'm gonna do now, I have a strainer and a strainer. So it's gonna be like double strain, just to make sure. So I just hold it like that, or you can put it in. So the small strainer on top, the big strainer on the bottom, and a bowl at the bottom of that. Okay. You can do it again if you like, but usually there's no need. Okay. Put that over to the side. And this is how much was left. Okay, we'll watch that later. Now, take my big. Okay, so I'm back. I have poured I showed you what was left of the pulp. So I poured 1 liter of the orange juice, boiled, infused water, and then I poured another liter of vinegar using my liter cup. So when you're buying soda, this is all you're buying, 2 of these. Go figure. Anyway, if you wanted to add a different scent to it, to have a different aroma, to give it a different feel, you can either leave it this way or you can add an essential oil. I like to add things like peppermint, eucalyptus, Texas cedar wood, because I like outside, fresh things that make you alert and lively. I don't like to use things that smell like food, even though this is edible, because I'll be hungry all day. And then I'll be eating, and then I'll be overweight, and then I'll have to get on the treadmill. Ugh! And it's just a cycle that I don't want to have to deal with. Anyway, so you can put a few drops of your essential oil in here. For this amount, I would advise 30 or 40 drops. Okay, I'm not going to do that this time because I already have some, quite a bit. It smells like that. I need some other scents. Put your top on. You can take off your container. Oh, I forgot my secret weapon. And you'll find this secret weapon at any alternative grocery store. So the one that is initials are WF, or the one that begins with an S and ends with an S, or the one that's TJ. And you can buy it in bulk. And you don't have to buy a lot because it doesn't take a lot. Hold on a minute. Let me get it. It's my secret weapon. I've had the secret weapon a long time. As you can tell, it was filled to the rim. Down to here. I think I bought this maybe 4 years ago. Okay, that's how long this could last, depending on your usage or what you would want to use it for. Citric acid is a compound that allows things to last longer. It's what we find in a lot of our food. Go read the back of your packaging and you'll see the citric acid is in this. It's not harmful in little amounts. In great amounts, yes. Anything is harmful in great amounts. It's not really good for you, and that is man-made. But anyway, this is not man-made. This is like citrus that has been ground up and some other things done. I'm not a scientist. My husband is. You can read up on it. But it's good. And so what you do is you would take, in this case, for me, I'm going to take about 3/4 of a teaspoon. Put that to the side. Put that in there. You can be all pretty and use a funnel, a baby funnel, whatever. I'm not doing it today because we're just being homegirls and home guys. All right. So wipe it off. Shake it up. Oh, I'm on video. Okay, anyway, having fun, you know. There you go. That will keep for months. This is what I will put it in. One of those little dollar store spritz sprayers. And sometimes I'll put extra in my jar. You see that? Okay. Now, you might say, how does it work? Let's see. I'll just clean this out real quick so you can see. No, I don't want to do that. I want to do something that we would commonly do. Okay, let me move this out of the way. So, something that we would commonly do would be the toaster. Alright, so I'll bring the toaster up closer. It was used today. I didn't wipe it up. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray one part of the toaster. I hope you can see that. One part of the toaster, and I'm going to leave the other part undone. And then we'll see. So I let it drip. That's okay. It gives you the effect because, you know, you're not perfect at home. All right. So, y'all saw, you hear that squeak? That's clean. Okay, I think I got it. little smudge right there. All right, so you can see this is the clean part, this is the non-clean part, and it didn't cost you but pennies on the dollar. Let's put this away. So I hope that you learned some things about making your own all-purpose cleaner. It doesn't cost a lot, it doesn't take a lot of time. You can do it yourself, you can have someone else do it, you can have a guy or a girl party and do it, or a family party. This is a way to combat when you run out of product, when you are sensitive to various products, when you're in a state situation where you can't get out to get things, such as COVID-19 or some other epidemic or whatever. You can make it to your liking a little bit or a lot. You can do a lot with this. The key is you're saving money, you're being safe, your house is being cleaned. You can use it on a lot of products, your aluminum, your stainless steel, your plastics, various walls. I would dare to say you can use it on walls that are, what do you call it? It's like the kitchen type paint and the bathroom type paint. Stuff just kind of wipes off. Can't remember. But anyway, test, as always, on different things. You can use it on your wood. You can use it for cleaning spots up off the floor. You can clean your washer dryer. You can clean your windows with it. You can clean a lot. So pretty much anything that you can clean Windex with, or 409, or any of those other types of cleaners. There are